Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So quite a bit going on. I just want to get two levels in here, but no real direction yet. So this area here at 108.035, I just call it 108, and 107.891. So that's 108 basically. Is still being defended. So we got through it and we pulled back. So there was some noise about interest rates cut, and that's what got us moving. But if you just come back to the weekly of what it looks like on the weekly, you can see we're still flirting with this, let's just call it a almost pivot point. But you can see how we've got this massive triangle here. So from a longer term picture, let me just draw it in, otherwise it's not going to make sense. So from a longer term picture, we have a sorry, you can sort of do something like that there, and then like this. So this is a diamond pattern. There's also merit for a little bit of a weird butterfly pattern, but I think a diamond pattern is probably the best way to do it. So you can see it's almost a megaphone formation, and then the megaphone starts rolling into a concentric triangle. So this is it's a consolidation pattern, but it's also a breakout pattern, and typically it's a breakout to the upside. So, but it's been going on for a year and a half, so don't read too much into it, but it's definitely there, and we are now sort of at the apex of the triangle, which is what I keep talking about. Is there is a lot of confusion. Anyway, so just taking all the levels out for a simple reason. I'm not really interested in this just yet. Well, I take that back. Let's see what we can do at 107.895, and one more in, which was previous high there, 107.733. So we are below, well, the moving averages are not bullish, they're bearish, and the oscillators are rolling over. So there's a good chance that it just falls to the downside. So in other words, this was the fall, this is the pullback, and then it just continues down. We are waiting for the Feds as well. I think Fed minutes is next week. But if we look at the hour, you can see we're just hovering on the 150 EMA, oscillator starting to ease off. So there is merit to watch these levels, and I would actually rather watch the high of the day for a long. So let's go to the 15 minutes. Yeah, definitely watch the high of the day. So a break 108.158, price must move up, come back, build a base here, there's an opportunity for a long. You've got a massive gap here on the 15 minute, so don't be too surprised to see price come back and close this gap. I'm not interested in the short right now. The Dow Jones did come back and just erase everything that it gained yesterday. So, but I'm not really interested in the short. I think that's going to be the risky trade. The better trade is to wait for a break to the upside and structure to the upside for a decent move up. And that's just because we're above the 150 on the 15, and we're above, well, we're on the 150 at the moment, but we've got a crossover of the other moving averages here. So that's kind of my view for today. Even if we do pull back here, I think I'll ignore it. I'll wait for a break above the current high of today before looking at this. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps somewhat, and patience is key, unfortunately. And we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.